Indicate which of the following statements are true and which are false. Hydrogen molecule is monovalent. It is not true because the molecule of hydrogen is trivalent, meaning the molecule of hydrogen contains two atoms in it. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is called reduction. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is called reduction. No, the removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. The removal of hydrogen from a substance is not reduction. Nitric acid cannot be used to prepare hydrogen by its action on active metals. Yes, it is true, we cannot use nitric acid for the preparation of hydrogen, but if we want, we can use sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid. The reaction between hydrogen and nitrogen to form ammonia is reversible. It is true that the reaction between hydrogen and nitrogen to form ammonia is reversible. Zinc can liberate hydrogen from water, acid and alkali solution. It is true because zinc is higher in the reactivity series than hydrogen, so it can do it. Hydrogen is combustible as well as supporter of combustion. It is true that hydrogen is combustible, but hydrogen is not the supporter of combustion. So this is not true, this is false. Hydrogen gas is easily liquefiable. Hydrogen gas is not easily liquefiable. So the last statement is also false.